I grew up in a small town in Canada called Belle River, where a lot of the people that I had grown up alongside, they all had very similar backgrounds. They all had been born and raised in Canada, haven't traveled outside of North America, hadn't seen a lot of perspectives. At North Anglia, being alongside people from all different types of backgrounds has helped me understand from multiple perspectives.
I've had the privilege of seeing Ethan grow in many different facets of the school, growing as an individual, developing his intercultural understanding, and enhancing his own perspective. It's really about taking on opportunities that are presented to him. From MUN, his trips to New York.
I have been participating in MUN at our school for the last 4 consecutive years. I also acted as our school Secretary General in our Model United Nations Conference. That, to me, might be one of my most memorable experiences at this school. Having global citizens discussing global issues in such a critical mindset is something that I personally value a lot.
Perspective of his education that he's gained here at NAIS is being in this highly international environment. I think he's really enjoyed learning from different people's perspectives.
Recently, I was accepted to my dream university, McGill, in Montreal, Canada. All of this stemmed from the education that I've been receiving here. Coming to Shanghai was an intimidating experience to me, and our school has definitely helped to turn that fragile little kid from a small town into this person that I am now.